Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making soya chunks capsicum recipe. It's good for weight loss, high protein recipe. Soft and juicy soya chunks. Soaked soya chunks 1 cup. Salt as per taste. Saute on medium heat for 5 minutes. Keep aside. Same pan, oil 2 tablespoons. Chopped onion 1 cup. Saute on medium heat for 2 minutes. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Any color capsicum 1 cup. Chopped tomato half cup. Turmeric half tablespoon. Red chilli powder 1 tablespoon. Fried soya chunks. Salt as per taste. Mix everything. Close the lid. Cook on medium heat for 3 minutes. Now add water 3 tablespoons. Mix everything. Cook on medium heat for 2 minutes. Enjoy with rice or roti. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon. Whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.